Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display the satellite detections on your map on the EPA AirNow application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the smoke button next to the map section at the lower right corner of the screen. And new, go to the layer button at the upper right corner of the screen. And in the fire information section you can find the second option, the satellite detections, and if you want to display, just click to the white square icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.